Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning back into the live stream. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. All right, so let's see. Pretty good morning, I will say. Not a bad start to the day. So yeah, I want to go over today what happened here, what's happening. And yeah, let's do it. Wow, IBM looks like it's trying for that first. Hold on, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. 1 second here. Oh, I did not mean to take away the Discord. Give me a second. Technical difficulties, guys. All right, so 1 second here. It should load up soon. Yeah, crazy morning. Give me 1 second here. We should load up now. All right, cool. Where are we at? IBM looks very close to that first TP. It looks good. Not bad at all. Not bad. Let's see if we can. All right, I'm just gonna post that. All right, cool. 1 second here. Also gonna tell the team members that we're on live. 1 second. Good to see you guys, gals. We appreciate it. So we're gonna go over today and yeah, what ended up happening. Obviously, still waiting on a couple. FT&T did not want to work. QQ, Tesla did great. So we'll go over it. So as of right now, for the Qs, and the crazy thing is, and yeah, we'll go ahead and fix everything up really quickly. All right. Yo, what's up, everyone? Liv, thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it. All right, going to tell the team members we're on live now. TikTok live now at everyone. Join up. Everyone. Cool. All right, so yeah, the first thing that we ended up having here, and this was literally the first play inside of the Discord this morning that we ended up calling out. You could see, boom, we had these calls here. As there was a nice little gap there, we waited for this play, ended up getting straight in, and yeah, that first and that final TP ended up hitting. So great day for that. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Yo, lead speakers, what's up? So AMZ, and yeah, no worries, we'll go over that. Gotcha, my guy. But yeah, like I said this morning, there was a nice little gap on this 45-minute, and I'll be honest, I barely even trade on the 45-minute chart. But for this case, I seen that the 30-minute, I didn't really like the structure. The 1 hour, there wasn't structure, but I went down to this 45-minute, so in between, and we end up getting that break, going straight up to this upside, and you can even see what ended up happening here. So you can see the befores, pretty much the afters, and yeah, it was a beautiful move. Obviously, we went higher than my final, but yeah, happy camper there. Yo, Pretty Ashley, what's up? Thanks for sharing the live stream. Really appreciate it. Let's see. Check out IO and Q. Okay, cool. What are you planning on doing there now? For me, I've been done with this trade. So we hit our targets. I got out. I get it. Yes, could have made, a little bit more. Perfectly fine. But yeah, my targets were hit. I'm done with this one. It'll be crazy if we go up to like 605 or something. Obviously, not saying it will, but yeah, my targets were hit. I'm pretty much done with this. For me to take a short on this, I would want some, structure. And then once we can build some structure, we do have empty space that is still below us. So we kind of just made some more empty space. And yeah, I would take it down for sure. Looks good. So for Tesla, this is what we had here, and I'll be honest, I did not just jump in straight away with this. Hold on, 1 second here. So IBM's still at that 270 area, close to that first TP, and I actually just dropped a video last night, explaining what I wanted for IBM as well, and this was like right before it even happened, which is crazy. But anyways, so we just did that. So for Tesla, this was the next one. So I was looking for either, hold on, these QQ puts or those calls. We ended up getting those calls there. And then Tesla. So these were pretty much the only two I posted this morning. You could see we were at that 431. And I'll be honest, I did not end up getting in early. I did not have a starter on this one. I told the team I'm waiting for that candle close, and that's it. So I did not end up chasing to this one. But yeah, got in. Hold on, let's see. So we did this originally on this 4 hour. Then we went down to a lower time frame, of course. But yes, nice little break above. We did hit that first TP. And hold on, this was the empty space that I was seeing. Let's see. So back in 1962. No, I'm kidding. So this was in December. So yeah, clear gap down that wasn't touched yet. And I was waiting for this move for quite a while. Obviously, on this Monday morning, I did not want to just chase in the Tesla. So I told the team, I was like, look, guys, I'm just going to wait for some type of candle closure. And, you know, we were already pretty much up to, you know, over the box. But yeah, that was pretty much it for that. Sorry if that's too loud. All right, cool. 1 second. And then, yeah, we hit that first TP. Finally, if we can continue, you want to see that 449. That's what I'm seeing on that 4 hour time frame. Doesn't look too bad. IBM, okay. IBM's moving pretty nice. Oh man, if that first TP can hit, that would be great. The spread's just a little whack on them, but other than that, yeah, it's looking pretty good. He said sold IBM too early. AMZ, all right, cool. IBM, okay, we did that. Schwab, obviously, this one, it's trying, but mostly playing around here, so we'll have to see. All right, so I'm keeping an eye on IBM. I actually do have it up on my other chart, so we'll just leave that alone. All right, and yeah, I gotta change this one song here since it's absolute terrible. Hold on 1 second. All right, cool. 1 second. Okay. All right, cool, perfect. So you guys want to see what AMZ in? All right, cool. So those two plays ended up smacking today inside the Discord. That's pretty much it. So yeah, we called the setup. So you can see this was right before market opened. The QQ calls. We ended up getting in. Those TP smacked. Obviously you can see Tesla. This was a little bit right after market open. But let's see. So IBM looking good. Do want to see if we can get that nice little move there. Schwab doing nothing. Dang, it looks like it's trying to get that push there. That looks really good. Really good. Really good. 270, 290. That's what I'm looking for next. Yo, Andy, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, yeah, that looks beautiful. All right, so for Amazon, I will say I had this charted up, right? And I did not end up taking it. So, like I said, this morning here, we had this nice clear gap up. Clear as day, right? Nice little gap. I think it is on a 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So 1 hour chart here. And yeah, we end up having a nice POTTERBOX that needed to be broken. We end up breaking under. Hold on. So yeah, we end up getting that break under. We end up tapping that first and that final TP. So we could see, hence why we had a rejection there. So yeah, that was pretty much it for that trade there. So yeah, we had that nice break. we tapped those TPs perfectly. We ended up rejecting. Personally, for me to do something on this, I don't know. I would literally just wait for this little move up to here. So top wall, bottom wall there. We do have empty space up to that 232. So that's the next thing that I'm seeing, which doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. So entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we want. So That was AMZN, not bad at all. Alright, so that's there. Let's keep going. 1 second, 1 second. Schwab is trying to move there. IBM is looking very close. It looks so good. Especially if we get this nice close, it looks decent. Alright, so cool. He said when you chase a sketch entry and it pays off. Speaking of dogs, is Chewy done? Yeah, let's take a look there. I'll take a look here. Yo, everyone in the other chat, really appreciate you all tuning back in too as well. Alright, so 1 second. So that was on there. UNH looks like we could end up getting this continuation here to that empty space. 7 minutes left for that candle to close. So if we can close above there, we do have that nice little empty space move that we could end up continuing into. So this is what I'm talking about here. To make it look a little bit easier, we do have that nice little area that needs to be broken, which is kind of already broken. If we can't get that continuation, UNH looks good. Not bad, not bad. All right, so IBM, okay. We're getting close. Hold on, I gotta send this to the chat. 1 second. Oh, please get out of my way. All right, cool. It's out of my way here. Wow, it's looking crazy. It's looking crazy. You can see one of the members ended up catching that IWM play as well. So the IWM, you can see one member 200 plus on that Tesla trade here. Love this team. So I do want to see if we can hit that 271. Hold on, I gotta alert the members just in case if they're sleeping. No, I'm kidding. But let's see. Let's go. So about yeah, we need like $1 more and we're good. Yo, OG, what's up? Oh, fire, keep up the great work. SO5 Mar, please. Cool, I got you, no worries. All right, so I'm just gonna, yeah, we're gonna keep this. I'll keep watch of it. But yeah, if we can get that continuation, it looks really good. What up, Punk? Yo, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Dang, it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh man, this is what I wanted this whole entire time. Like literally, this is what I wanted this whole entire time. And we finally got it. And I actually posted a video going over this trade here. Already ended up having a nice little trim up, but other than that, yeah, I do want to see those targets hit next. So pretty much more free chase for me. Can I do QQQ on the 15-minute? Yeah, got you, no worries. All right, I'm just gonna keep this up. We're gonna go over these other charts, other trades, and yeah, you can see the trades we end up calling out. What ended up happening? Obviously, if one trade doesn't work, I don't give, you know, I could care less. But we hit the trades. That's it. That's all we needed. End up calling these positions. We end up getting in. Boom. That's it. Targets ended up hitting there. You can see what a few of the members ended up doing today, just on those little trades there. So we'll have to see if we can keep going. All right, so we got to do what? I'm going to leave those two up. We'll take a look at SOFI. Okay, and then Mara. Let's do it. I'm gonna be honest. I did think we were going to chop today, or at least a little bit, but no, we had some decent entries, some decent holdings. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so for Mara, okay, I like it. Let's see, 2 hour. Okay. So I could take the 4 hour or the 2 hour, doesn't matter. So 4 hour under that 17. Let's see. I want to see if that's a nice top ball there. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at here. So there is Clears day, empty space under us. Looks good. Sorry, this is a terrible circle. Whatever it is. But yeah, hold on, give me a second. Let's see. Top hole there, bottom hole here. And yes, right under us, we do have this empty space. So, in other words, this is what I'm targeting to the downside. If we can get this nice break, looks really good. Entry, exit, middle of the move. This is what I want here. Doesn't look too bad. So yeah, I do want to see if we can somehow get some type of break in some type of candle closure. And yeah, we can possibly see that downside. And yeah, just remember, not telling anyone to get into any trades, any positions. So please do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so looks like Schwab. Okay, MZN lifts, UNH. All right. All right, so SOFI, let's see. All right, yeah, these are one of those ones with, you know, nothing to stop us. Maybe I should delete this since we're nowhere close. All right, so let's delete all this. Let's go down to a possible 4-hour, 2-hour, and yeah, let's break it down. As of right now, let's see. Okay, SO5, this is what I see in this 1 hour. So I didn't see anything on the 24-hour that I liked, so end up going down to this 1 hour here. So yeah, we do got this nice little move here. This clear gap up, no consolidation. This is what I would want to this downside. And all that I'm waiting for, yeah, is that nice little break. We get that nice little break under. We could, but I'm not saying it will happen, but yeah, we could potentially go into this little pocket here of what we call this empty space. So yeah, it looks really good. That is on SOFI. I did not mean to lock it. All right, Mara, we did that. UNH, looks like we're trying to punch back into that little wall there. So yeah, let's keep on going here. Yes, sir, no worries, bro. BBAI, let's take a look there as well. I want to pull up the Qs back. Qs are still going. That yeah, that's wild. The Qs are still going. Obviously, I could have held, you know, made a little bit more money, but yeah, it's cool. It's fine. We end up getting in. We hit those entries. You can see today, I only called out 3 or 2 at least. So 1 on the same play. I was looking for these calls since we were already over our wall here. We end up, yeah, this was right before market even opened. Boom, we end up getting in. Those targets end up hitting there. You can also see, and I was waiting for those puts, so if it wanted to drop, I was ready for that. But those calls were ready. You can see also Tesla. This was a little bit after market opened, but you can see I called it in the potential setups. We had the nice little empty space that I was waiting for since, you know, the 80s. We end up getting that break. And yeah, we ended up hitting those TPs as well. So yeah, both TPs ended up hitting there. Obviously, only one that's not trying to work is SCHW. It looks really good, so I think it may take some time, especially if we get this nice close. IBM did very well. FT&T just wanted to drop. But yeah, QQ, Tesla, you can see those were the day trades that I wanted. Those are the day trades I had. We end up getting in. See, one member made on IBM there. And yeah, it was a pretty nice day. Can't complain. Maybe I should have left a runner for the Qs. Because it's still going, which is absolutely wild. Yeah, maybe I should have left a runner. It's all good, though. I'm not going to jump back in. Alright, so IBM still looks good, especially when we get that close. I could care less. Those finals look decent. BBAI, let's take a look here. It looks like one of my targets hit. Let's see. Alright, so one second. So it looks like, yeah, some of my targets ended up hitting here. We had that nice little, yeah, we broke above in that 4 hour. I can see, yes, we retested 2 times. We ended up touching those TPs to the upside. Personally, yeah, I don't see anything else in that 4 hour, so let's just break this down. Okay, I see something. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. So, yeah, we can go ahead and break this down since that's irrelevant now, since that play already happened. What looks good to me is this. So, I get it. This wall is going to look a little bit different, but same exact concept. What we're looking at, what we're looking for. So, yes, each trade in my Discord exactly the same. I didn't get to post what we did today, but I definitely will after. So, you can see, yes, clear gap up. No consolidation there. Nice break under us. Hold on. Looks really good. $280 for which one? By Friday. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's there. That's on BBAI. Obviously, yeah, if we're in the box, I'm not taking anything. Obviously, you could see we had a trade. We were outside the wall. We ended up staying outside. Getting that nice break, and yeah, we tapped those targets. I still have to post what we did, but you can see pretty much in inside the Discord, this in the day trading alerts, and both setups hit today. Both of those, you know, day trading setups ended up hitting. So yeah, IBM, it looks good, man. Let's see. If it does, I can see, yeah, maybe in the next few days. Hopefully by tomorrow, if it doesn't want to hit that first TP today. Yeah, I do want to see that 272. That will be my first TP, and then I'll be done with this trade once we can hit that 281. So that'll be my final. I don't care less if it could go up. That'll be my, you know, final target there. But yeah, if it goes back into the box, then yeah, definitely will have to get out and yeah, find that reentry. But other than that, yeah, it's looking pretty good as of right now. So just going to react to the levels. If it hits, cool. If it doesn't want to hit, that's perfectly fine. But yeah, no worries. All right, so BBAI, we just did that. Said I'm up 5K. Dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work. So that's there. Let's see, JD. Okay, hold on. Yeah, we did go over that too. RGTI. Okay, perfect. So for JD, let's take a look here. Honestly, let's break all this down and okay, I do see something on the 1 hour, but let's go to a 24-hour time frame, and then yeah, we'll break this down. So same thing, just like all the trades, what I just ended up calling out, what we just end up hitting with the team. You can see, let's see here. Actually, yeah. JD. Okay, yeah, this doesn't look too bad. Maybe I could write this down. 1 second here. Yeah, let's zoom in so you all can see what I'm looking at too. 1 second here. Let's see. JD. All right, yeah. What I can see here is this. Top wall, bottom wall here. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, we do have this empty space under us. We get that nice break. Entry, exit, middle of the move. We have exactly what we, or at least exactly what I want, which is this empty space. So just how we call it the other trades. Literally exactly the same. So yeah, I'm looking for that nice clear break above or below that 33.25 area. Do want to see if we can go into that little pocket there. So looks good. It may not happen today unless it does. You know, that'll be cool. That'd be decent. But yeah, I could see maybe possibly getting under this wall Wednesday. Maybe. Obviously not saying to get in or anything like that. That's just what I'm seeing there. All right, so RGTI looks like All right, IBM looks pretty good. Go ahead and do it for me. Go ahead and just tap. Hold on 1 second here, guys. Let's see where we're at. So we're at that 1 hour. Man, it looks so good. It looks really good. And yeah, this was a trade. You can see we're very close. We're very close to that first TP. And you can check in my last video that I just dropped what I was looking for. Obviously, just need that to continue to push there. So you called this one out inside the Discord. This one ends up doing pretty well, but I do want to see those targets hit. All right, so let's see here. Can I look at, so, all right, we got to look at RGTI, and then we got to look at RR. 1 second here. Macy's, I think that's just M. Cool. And then AI, yep, got you, bro. Let's see. All right, cool, beautiful move there. Did not mean to turn that off. We'll turn that back on soon. Beautiful, beautiful move, man. So yeah, we ended up, yeah, beautiful. We broke above, closed above our top wall. Love that nice little play. I think we might do it. Hold on, give me 1 second here. Let's see. So yeah, that looks really good. We got to get above that 271.61 area to get that continuation. We'll see, we'll see. All right, yeah, well, I'll keep an eye on it. It's 39. All right, so let's see. RGTI, I will say, yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Let's see here. 1 second, 1 second. And you can even see, you know, one of the other members that did end up hitting. He doesn't like to post in the games page, which is perfectly fine. But you can see he ended up catching a little bit of IBM with us, as we're trying to continue to that first TP. So you see what one member did there. Shout out to the Lawnmower. I'm in IBM. Shout out to Rug. You can see what we're doing. You can see also a different member there. IBM ended up hitting there as well. And yeah, I do want to see if we can hit those TPs. So it'll be really exciting if we can. All right, so RGTI, let me stop yapping. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat or also the VIP chat. Obviously, you know I'm using a colored pencil right now, but we wait for our setups though. But okay, let's see. RGTI, I will say, yeah, we got the, empty space. We ended up breaking under. Damn, we tapped perfectly to a T. I'm not in this play. I did not take it. But yeah, we tapped that first TP. If we can get this rejection, I could see us potentially, getting the rest of the move hit. So maybe that 24.48 will be that next thing that I'm seeing there. If we get a nice rejection. But if we go back into this wall here, this 28.19, we could end up getting that push up. Oh, let's see. 271.50. Oh, that looks really good. We're almost there. We gotta get this. We gotta get this reject. We can't get this reject right here. 61. Let's see. So this is an area where it kind of rejected last time, so we would have to get above this. Let's go IBM. Let's see. Let's see it. I feel like we will, but dang, yeah, we got to get over that little hump there. So it may take some time there. All right, so that's on IBM. We're very close. All right, yeah, let's keep on going. So we got to go over what? AI. We got to go over RR, I believe. Okay. So, okay. AI, let's go over this first. Then, personally, I'm still waiting on this. It looks good. I have not placed an entry on it. I think a few of the members did. Sorry, I dropped my pencil. But yeah, what I like here, we do have this clear gap down. Clear as day, clear gap, no consolidation here. This is what I would like to the upside here. I do want to see if we can get a nice clear break. So this is, you know, I've been waiting on this. I think Glock had a nice floor entry, so one of the mods. But yeah, I do want to see that 1874 break into this empty space here. And I'll hit that 2083, and then that 2292 will be that final target there. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Okay. RR, we got to go over that. We got to go over a couple of these trades. Looks like Schwab isn't doing too bad either. Okay, cool. All right, yes, give me 1 second, guys and gals. I'm going to get me some water. I'm literally out, as you can see in here. So yeah, 1 second. Yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Just give the members some likes there. You can see what we've already done today. IBM, you could see what we did on those day trades too. That did really well. All right, so yes, 1 second here. I will be right back. So yes, Discord is in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'm on live anyways. So yes, 1 second here. Maybe I should leave these on the charts. Hold on, give me a second. So we'll go over RR. All right, 1 second here, guys. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Amelia said, hey, I caught some. Yo, fire. Keep up the great work. So yeah, I'm going to pin that. Yeah, nice, beautiful trade. Obviously, you know, I got in a little later. I did not just chase into it. I didn't want to chase into Tesla, you know, on a Monday morning right at market open. So I told the team, I was like, I'm going to just wait, guys. Obviously, I didn't get to post it. But you could see that play ended up doing very well. We were at that 431. Ended up getting that nice break. We finally ended up getting a closure on a lower time frame. So yeah, that target ended up hitting there. Honestly, yeah, let's take a look. I do want to see where we're at right now. Hold on, give me a second. So I want to see where we are. All right, so yeah, we're right under this imbalance still. So the move could finish. So this was the empty space. And yes, we'll go over these other charts you guys wanted me to look at. 1 second here. So yeah, we had the empty space, of course. This clear gap down, no consolidation. Yo, Jake, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Hope you're having a blessed Monday, man. So yeah, we had this, clear gap down. I was waiting on this all last week, as, you know, I went over time and time again. And no, I will be honest, I did not jump in right away. I told the team I was waiting for some sort of lower time frame close, and that was it. So didn't want this to reverse with me. Obviously, lower time frame confirmations are beautiful. And yeah, we end up hitting that first TP. So so I did this on a 4-hour. If we can close on this 4-hour candle, we could see that next 4-hour potentially get that 449 or the next couple. But yeah, if we go back into this box under this 435, we could end up seeing the downside. But I could care less if we end up dropping here, because I got a move here, I got a little move here. I would be happy. I'll be a very happy man if we can, you know, get those puts down there. So yeah, it looks really good. All right, so that is on Tesla. So yeah, little beautiful move there. So AI. So yeah, we're waiting, or at least I'm waiting on that. I have my alert set. Looks really good. Tesla to 500. Hey man, I mean, honestly, I'm happy with our targets. I'm happy with, you know, what we ended up hitting. So just one step at a time for me. All right, so let's see. RGT, how we did that. RR. Yeah, man. Like I said, we already hit my final TPs on that 24-hour time frame. I did say if we break above this 463 area, we do have more empty space that is above us. So yeah, you can see this where we have this clear gap down of no consolidation. So yeah, if we get another push, do want to see that 598 being hit. That would be my final, or my first there for that new one as well. And yeah, you can see, obviously I didn't get a chance to post what we did today. But yeah, I posted a few setups. We waited for those. Told the team what I was looking for, what I was looking at. We end up getting in. You can see what ended up happening there. So, see that final ended up did hit there. See that first ended up hitting too. So we smacked it. TPs ended up going pretty crazy. Plus 200 on that Tesla trade. Love this team. You see, shout out to a couple of these trades here. My traders here. IBM, beautiful, beautiful entry. Beautiful trade. Nice little swing there. All right, so yeah, we'll keep on going. Let's see. All right, cool. So Macy's, let's take a look here. Yeah. So as of right now, let's take a look at this 1 week chart. So yeah, Macy's, we end up smacking that empty space there to this upside. What I can see now is this. Hold on. So we got a 24-hour. Actually, hold on. Yeah, hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, let me go ahead and write this down in my notes. Where's my pen at? Macy's pen. Where are you at? Or my colored pencil. Actually, I'll just write it down. It's cool. Macy's. All right, cool. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Nice top ball, nice bottom ball here. Yeah, that's a nice bottom ball there. We get a nice break. I mean, I don't really see anything under us to stop us. Just ask me end of the day, because right now, if we can't get that nice break, end of day looks really good. Need to tie a string on that. Dude, I know I need to tie one on my MacBook or something. I don't know, I lose all my pins. That's the only thing that I lose. It's crazy. I have like, I don't know, I gotta get a whole collection of them. Just throw them all over the desk. Alright, yeah, Macy's looks good. I don't know what those contracts look like, so can't get too excited as of right now, but yeah, it looks really good. So Macy's, I'll keep that in the corner over there. Schwab doesn't look too bad. Do want to see if we can get that continuation for something. RR still moving. Lift, we did that. AI, okay, we did that too as well. So yeah, we'll keep on going. So yeah, for the Qs, you know, I'm done with that trade. We caught a beautiful trade, beautiful entry there. See, this morning, right before the market opened, called that out for the team. See where we were. We were at that, what, 597 when I called it. So 597. You can't see it, 597. And then, yeah, right now we're at sorry, hold on. We're at 607 here. So, yeah, hold on. Give me a second. So that, no, not another ad, please. No more ads for me, please. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Give me 1 second here. 1 second. So 45 minutes. So yeah, we went straight up past that my final target. Hold on, I gotta get this ad off my screen. All right, 1 second. All right, cool. We'll look at, you know, what I'm looking at in the future for the Qs too. So, you know, I love trading QQQ. Everyone knows that about me in the Discord. Post it pretty much every day as well. As you can see, yeah, we had that nice little gap. We end up getting that nice break. Yeah, we went straight up to the upside. It was beautiful, nice little trade. Got in, didn't have to, you know, hold it forever. And yeah, just got it out. I just smacked a Tesla. Yo, Fireman, keep up the great work. So yeah, you could see empty space, what I was looking at. And yeah, that's it. Nice little gap, 45 minute. Nice little gap, 45 minute. We end up getting that nice break above, going straight into that empty space there. And the reason why I didn't, and you can see we closed on a lower time frame too as well, but you can see the reason why I didn't want it on a 1 hour is because there was not enough structure. I didn't see anything here, so there was not enough information. I even went down to a 30 minute, so I love trading the 30 minute. I could have made this a top box here, but I didn't really like that 30 minute chart since it wasn't enough structure for me. So yeah, I did end up going down to this 45 minute chart. So yes, I mainly trade on the higher time frames. How we were able to, you know, catch crazy entries like this will be the higher time frame. So the higher time frame is what we do, 400%, 300%. All those type of trades will be on those higher time frame, and that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking at. So things like AMAT, this is it. Yo, Marky, what's up? New to trading? What platform? So yeah, this is TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. You can see literally all my entries. I chart it on TradingView. This is where I give my real analysis. And yeah, I trade on that higher time frame. So, and also the extended time frame. What DTEs? So it really depends. Obviously, you know, if it's a day trade, maybe I'll try a 0 DTE. Maybe I, you know, get, you know, a day out or so. It really just depends. For a swing trade, so if I'm looking to swing it over the week, over the next few weeks, how we call it Chewy, I'm buying at least a week or 2 weeks out. No doubt about it. And, you know, yeah, some trades we may have to wait for a couple days for it to hit. Maybe it hits that same day. IBM, this took over the weekend for us to end up getting to this upside here. And you can see, you know, what a few members end up doing already there. IBM, I'm in IBM. I will be holding for the whole move. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any trades, any entries. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. Yes, sir, man. No worries, bro. All right, cool. So that is on. So we did IBM, we did all that. We did Macy's. I'll keep an eye on that. I'll find my pen after this live stream and write that down. So LOY, let's see, SMR, hold on. So yeah, we'll pull all these up here. And yeah, maybe I'll wait for one more, day trade, and then if there's not anything, then I will just wait for those swings in there. ORCL, okay, cool. All right, so as of right now, this is what I'm seeing. I'm still waiting on this one. I still like it a lot, but personally, yeah, I'm still, waiting on it. Maybe I should leave my alert on here if I can. Okay, got it there. So yeah, I like it. What I can, clearly see is, yes, we do have this beautiful, nice little gap here. So what, this clear gap down, no consolidation. This is what I typically would want to this upside here. So what? Body candle there. We get a nice break above this 769 area. I would love to see this upside here. So I personally been waiting on this one for that 24-hour candle closure, but we shall see. We shall see. So that is on LOI. And you can see, all my trades are going to be the same. If we're inside of consolidation, I don't take the trade. We're breaking outside the consolidation. We have that confirmation. I will be getting into those trades. And you can see why I could care less. You can see what we did today. You can see why I could care less about any of those other plays. You can see why I don't rush. I told the members what I wanted today, and we ended up getting it, and we got out. So yeah, let's say if we're in the box, if we're inside of, consolidation, I'm not taking anything. Ooh, Glock dropped some nice little gems inside the Discord. Shout out to Glock. I'm gonna... Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. So SMR, let's not disrespect the higher time frame. Let's look at the 24-hour. All right, so 24-hour. Okay, there may be something there, but not enough for me. Let's go to this 4-hour here. Okay, got it. SMR. This is what I see here. So this is what I'm looking at. What's your latest position? So QQQ and also Tesla. He said back to school special when I watched this for the week. Let's go. So yeah, those are my latest positions were the day trades that we had. Obviously I had a couple swings, of course, very light, but you can see, yes, I posted this morning. QQQ calls. You can see what we waited for. We end up getting in. Obviously you can see we had those Tesla calls. I posted that too as well. You can see where we were. And yeah, that's pretty much it for those plays. All right, so 1 second. SMR. Yo, user 63, what's up, man? If we're smart, we'll at them. Well, let's go, let's go. And Glock actually sent me that watch list this morning. I was like, yeah, might have to post them. So yeah, it's in the free chat right now. So you can see we do drop a couple free gems as well. He's actually the mod inside of our Discord too. All right, so anyways, let's see. All right, so SMR, let's go over this. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord and be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. Obviously, VIP, we just break the trades down and we just wait for those positions. So yeah, my real-time trades. You can see both of those callouts that ended up happening. Both of those hit literally just this morning. Both setups hit. Tesla hit. QQQ ended up hitting there as well. So yeah, we call out all the setups. We wait for those trades. Boom. Tesla first TP hit. Claim if you got in, leave runners. Q final target hit. Both setups hit that were called out. And yeah, You can see what time I posted those setups. One I posted right before market opened. So and yes, the first one I post will mainly be the one that I'll be looking at, that I like the most, and then I'll post the other ones that I also like once the time will come. And yeah, I only posted just a few, and you can see we're at that 431. Obviously, one above that 435. We went up a few dollars there. All right, so SMR, this is what I'm seeing. Let's take a look here. When is BA? Yeah, we'll take a look. I don't know yet. Hold on, I'll take a look. So yeah, top wall, nice bottom wall here. What I can see next is, hold on, let's see. We got a nice little break above if we can get it. I do want to see that nice little break into this empty space, which doesn't look bad, up to this 51.45. So entry, exit, middle of the move is exactly what I want. Not bad at all. So that is on SMR. So yeah, we do want to see if we get that nice break. We tried it, but we couldn't get there yet. WM, okay. So yeah, I think IWM has a nice little move here. Oh wow, yeah, it does. IWM, yeah, I can see, yeah. Looks like we're punching back 50% of that box. If we can get that nice little break above, we have this empty space above us, so especially if we can get above that 243.55. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Actually looks really good. So yeah, let me look for BA. Let's see. Oh, that is until October, so next month there. But yeah, we'll have to see how that plays out. But yes, guys and gals, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP Discord. Gonna look for one more day trade and then get ready for those end of day swings. You can see what we already did here today. Those plays that ended up calling out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, if you do want to join up, if you want to join the free chat or the VIP chat, you can see what we do here. Links in the bio. If you're new, honestly, just join the free chat, see how you like it. You can even talk to the members there. And yeah, asking questions. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning back in. Hope you all have a blessed one. I will either see you inside of the Discord or in my last live stream. Have a blessed one, guys and gals. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.